This is extra weight. I had to put that on there to get it to balance. Makes it look like a turbo booster. Yeah, we just kind of pitch it towards that big tree over there.
You trying the weeds?
Nah, like I said, I'm not worried about it. If it doesn't fly this time, I'm just going to strip the parts off. All right, hang on to it. I'm going to give it some throttle. Tell me if it feels like it's got enough pull or not.
Do a practice throw.
There you go.
All right, watch yourself. I'm arming the motor. All right, coming. We better stand back in case that prop flies off. Ready?
Got plenty of pull.
Plenty of thrust? All right, good. As that small prop last night, I trusted it in my garage and it didn't feel like it had enough.
You ready?
Yep.
I'm not.
I'm going to give it a little bit of throttle and then I'll say give it a toss. Just kind of pitch it up at an angle about like that right there.
You want it like that?
Yeah, just like that.
Okay.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
All right, go ahead.
There you go.
Perfect. Used to hand launch airplanes all the time. Never had the trouble. We ever have my hand launch one for him?
Woo! She is twitchy as all get out.
Yeah.
Good? Pretty good. I had to tape a motor onto the top of the cowl to get it to balance out just for a test flight, you know.
Yeah. Seems like it's
This is
looks like it's doing good.
this was the plane, Steve, that Chuck gave away at the club.
Oh, yeah.
It had a brush motor in it first.
It's tonight? No, I didn't something.
Well, it looks like it's doing good.
You want to give it a whirl? It needs a ton of trim, I can tell you that, but I'm not going to mess with it just because I got a temporary weight on the front.
That's an easy deal for me. And all he does is go in and play on his phone.
Yeah.
But he's there. Anything that's fast, I really don't even care if it's speed.
Yeah, I wasn't going to trim it, but it's just because I got that fake weight on the front, you know. But I think I'm going to have to, as it just has way too much.
Bringing her in?
Well, I think unintentionally.
No, it's got plenty of power.
I was trying to get a little trim going on it here. Wow, that's a crazy flyer, I can tell you that. Just now getting it trimmed up enough to keep it without fighting it. There's hands off, maybe a touch too much left. Alright, let's fly it. Anybody want the sticks?
No. I just don't like flying other people's airplanes using that.
Yeah.
Well, listen here, I'm comfortable. If you want to just see what
Oh, I know.
you want to crash test it, you're welcome to take her up and auger it straight in. Well, don't auger it in, it's got a brand new motor on it, so that's the only thing I'd like to salvage from it.
I can fly it vertical.
Vertical up or vertical down?
Both. Goes up first and then comes down.
Alright.
For one flight.
Is it pretty sensitive on the controls?
No, right now it's flying actually pretty doggone good. It was really crazy on the first takeoff, you know. Whoa, I started to do a roll, but I didn't feel like it had enough oompa boompa. I think because I'm in mid rates.
Yeah, Steve's not on the runway.
Steve's on the runway?
No, he is not.
Oh, okay.
Working on his motor. On the Maiden. Hey, bounce it off the helicopter pad.
Yeah, like I did the convergence.
Yeah, do that. I want to see that.
All right, I better quit messing around.
Oh, off the. Very nice.
Woo! Man, that was a little sketchy at the beginning.
Take it to the meeting.